right, good morning, everybody. It is July 17th, 2026, Friday. It's currently 9:04 New York time. Um, so here's what I'm looking at. I don't know if I'm going to be making any trades today. I already took a trade this morning, and I took an L on the trade, and I'll be posting that. I'll share my losses and my wins. Not that I'm just a beginner trader, just kind of showing you my execution. So here we are on the day. We got this sell side below us right here. It's the June low. We've already tagged this sell side right here, and then we had a retracement back up. I'm gonna go to my journal here. We've got a retracement back up, and yeah, I mean, to me, it just seems like it'd be really easy. It seems obvious that we would just tag June low, so I don't know if that's gonna be the play. We have a lot of inefficiencies above. I mean, we had a huge move overnight, over 500 points. This is the regular trading hours gap. We have these 4-hour inefficiencies left above, and they're eventually going to have to be filled. But I know from the people that I follow, it looks like we're pretty bearish, and we're going to go below these June lows. With this big move, I really think that it might not be that great of a session. I don't know if I'm going to be really trading it. I might just stay out of it. I already took an L today, so just like trying to stretch that in these kind of conditions isn't the best idea. So we got Asia high above right here. We got midnight right here. We got 8:30 right down here. We're moving below 8:30, and we're creating this 1-hour fair value gap right here. And so yeah, we have these equal highs right here, and on the 15-minute chart you can see we've kind of had this sell model kind of created. I mean, we just moved up pretty aggressively right here, and then we didn't leave any like swing lows on the 15-minute chart to like use a CISD. I kind of thought we were going to go up and at least take these equal highs. That's what I was aiming for. That didn't occur. So we have a couple fair value gaps, inefficiencies right here, and they're right inside of the RTH. Depending on how we candle it open, we might have some shorts that just take us down over to the final leg of that sell side right there. And who knows, maybe even further. We'll see how that looks. We got 8:30 right here. We got the 8:30 open. We got the 7:30 open. And then we have these, relatively equal highs right here. This is a 1-hour fair value gap. We'll just keep that in mind right there. And then we have RTH. Take that off right there. We have RTH right here. So regular trading hours right there. I mean, this is just a massive, massive move that, really lowers the probability that this is going to be a very good session. And if it is, there's going to be one trade, and it's going to be right at the beginning of the session, I would imagine. That's my guess. Like, it's just going to do what it's going to do, and then after that, it's just going to chop around. The idea, like, to me, it just seems very simple. Like, oh, we're just going to do a Judas swing and then take it down to sell side. It seems really easy. Seems like kind of like too easy almost. And when it smells too easy, when it smells too good to be true, it usually is. And it's 9:07 right now. It looks like we're about to take out that sell side right now. So at this moment, I'm only interested in shorts. I can see us not taking sell side right now. I can see us not taking it. And convincing shorts that we're going to take it and then pushing higher and taking these relative equal highs. I can totally see that happening. Just because this market does like to play tricks like that. I can also see us opening and just taking it. And then who knows what we do after that. So that's kind of my ideas. We'll see how the market plays. I'm going to be playing this off of a couple of things today. I'm going to be playing it off of the regular trading hours gap right here, and then the first presented fair value gap. And I'm going to be pretty cautious today on trades. So I'm already up for the week, and I'd like to keep it that way. So this is kind of like that market maker, sell model. So we had this or buy model that occurred at 442. So we had this drive down. We had this inverse fair value gap. We kind of come up here, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. We have a breaker right here, um, and we inverse this fair value gap. We use it for support right here, and then we push up, and we take those highs, and then we start selling off again. Um, so yeah, we're just not taking really any buy side at all. We are heavy. This is a heavy, 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 heavy market. So I'm gonna be watching, and I'll be streaming, but I'm not married to the idea of taking any trades today. We'll just see what happens. I think this is gonna be a rough session, and to just let it be. We got Monday coming around. There's no reason. I've already taken a trade today, and I don't know if there's any reason to take any more. The fact that we moved so much, and I guess we have 119 points down there to sell side, but it's 9:10, and we tend to move in the opposite direction. So we're below 8:30, we're below 7:30, we're below midnight. We got equal highs above. Midnight's like over here. Look at this. Midnight's right here. Right there at the regular trading hours. I don't think we're going up there. But I could be wrong. I mean, this market does wild and woolly things. And yeah, it's just a monster, so. I could see us not taking this sell side, honestly. I could see us not taking this sell side today and just taking it Sunday. So we'll see how it goes. We got 20 minutes till open, or 19 minutes till open. Just let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. All right, so yeah, we got buy side right here. We got buy side right there. We got sell side right here. We got a breaker right here, right? So this is the breaker. It wouldn't shock me if we got longs. Everybody's expecting shorts. Like, everybody's like, oh, yeah, shorts. And then we just get up here, boom, and then just consolidate. See what happens. Let's see what happens. 9:12. I'm not going to be on very long today. I'm just going to watch the opening, and if there's something good, I'll take it. If not, then I'm out. Preserve funds. Come back next week. A little bit better. I thought maybe like the pre-market trade would be the better option, but didn't work out for me. I should have shorted from here. No. Jeez, look how far we've come. Look at this. Look at these. Just trade. I should have stayed up all night and just shorted the market. Oh well, it is what it is. My goal is really just to master the New York session and just trade that one session, and really discipline myself to trade that one session, and that's what I'm gonna do. You really have to. I think in these markets, you have to be okay with moves just kind of going without you. Like, it's not your move. It's not your time. Like, you don't need to take every single move. That's not what has to happen. You need to just master your time, your the place where you're looking to excel at your trading or where you can trade, and that's that's what I think. And that's my goal right now is to just master the New York session, maybe pre-market a little bit, like the 7:30 time, and get really good at that. And then once I'm really good at that, then I'll start introducing other times. But I want to trade less. I don't want to be on the markets all the time. That just invites the idea that you're gonna get chopped up. You're gonna get beat up in these markets, and they're gonna take everything from you if they can. And so that's my kind of like thought process on it. Look at a Judas swing down and then up. That would be wild. Taking out all of this sell side right here, and then boom, taking it up to equal highs. That'd be crazy. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I think if we start like a wick, just cruises on up. We'll see how that goes. I gotta remember to take screenshots today. That's something like if I get into a trade, I really gotta make sure I'm taking screenshots. Sometimes I'm like kind of, I notice with the live, I'm like a little bit focused on all this stuff. So sorry if I sound a little bit tired. Man, I got up this morning and they're remodeling the apartment downstairs, and so it's really loud, and they got all these tools kind of like that they're working on, and so it was like 5:30 in the morning, and I went down there and I'm like, hey, bro, like y'all know that there's like apartments here, right? Like there's people sleeping. Like, yeah, but we got people moving in. And I'm like, okay, I mean that's cool, but boy, I'm tired, dog. I'm tired. So we got this fair value gap right here at 8:30. I don't know who's looking for longs at this moment. Like that's the thing I think is like the whole sentiment, right? The sentiment of the market right now is shorts, right? Everybody's like, yeah, the shorts, right? And that makes me feel like I don't know, like longs are gonna be the plays. But that's kind of what I was thinking yesterday, and I was wrong. And so if that's the case, it has to look really, really good. There has to be a lot of confluence, and so I mean, look at this craziness. So I mean, I don't know. The idea of it pushing up here and doing junior swing and just going down, it just seems so easy. But I mean, maybe that's what it's gonna be. Maybe that's what it's gonna do, and maybe that's what we'll get. So like that would be cool, right? Boom, Judas swing, candling below the consequent encouragement of this fair value gap, manipulating above 8:30. Um, is there any kind of like volume imbalances up here? No, no, no. I mean, look at that. I'm gonna mark that. There is a slight volume imbalance right there. 1 hour volume imbalance. Let's call it 1 hour. We got I mean I'm not tripping, right? 28,665. It closes at 28,665. And that closes at 28,665.25. So we're talking a very, very small imbalance right there. We'll just have it marked. I mean, I'm not like that married to that idea. Where's that at? But you never know, man. Small but mighty. Let's look at the 4 hour again. Is there any kind of like anything that's giving us a clue as to what this market wants to do or where it wants to go? We got nothing. I don't see anything. We got like almost equal lows right there and right there. These equal highs right here. Those are tempting, but we're in such a heavy market that it just seems It's a little fair value gap. We got this inverse right here. I'm gonna push this back right here. Looks like ES is going to the equal lows. ES is pretty heavy as well. Put this on the 15-minute. So I have another chart over here with a 15-minute chart that I'll be looking at. We're just dumping. Look at that. $10 minutes still open. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm not expecting any spectacular plays. I'm probably just gonna take a nap and go to the gym later. I walk my dog. Watch this just BAM! Highs. Lows. Massive consolidation. We just consolidate in this range. That would be crazy. Meet my dog. What's up, bub? Oh. Ow. How you doing, bub? I know. It's kind of a funky morning for us. How you doing, bub? See, like, we're below the 8:30. We're below the 7:30. Like, I don't know. Don't worry, bub. Don't worry. That's my dog. His name is Beck. He's the coolest of the coolest. He is so cool. He is the coolest of the coolest. I like to bring him everywhere, so if people don't like me, they like my dog. Look at that. That was a pretty wild week, man. Look at this. So we hit consequent encroachment of that last time, and then so that's the sell side right there. I remember that. Boom, and then we just pop right back up. I remember that day. Let's drink some water. I never believe the move before the market, so we always do the opposite thing, man. So and we are just dumping. Here's what we want to look at. So if we start closing below this area right here, closing candles, we're probably not going to get any kind of retracement. If we like wick, that might be something good. 5 minutes till open. It's like we're about to create another 15-minute right here. Just have that marked out. 5 minute. Around that area. 5 minute up there. $25. We'll stop run there. Be cool if we came up here, closed below with consequent encroachment. Took sells. Bathroom real quick. Look at this ridiculous game. Look at this thing. I ain't touching it. Not right now. But that is some crazy displacement. What are we responding off of this little order block right here? RTH right here. Who knows? Maybe we come up and take consequent encroachment of RTH. That would be crazy. That would be some crazy work in Q. But I mean, we're delivering from an order block right here. Got a 15-minute order block right there. We get displacement up, fair value gap, so you have a CIST right here. We're not even like really, let's see if we go back down into this fair value gap. I'm not taking a pre-market. I'm not, I just don't know what this, no, I'm not taking that. But maybe, maybe I should. I don't know. We come back down. Let's see how we dive into this 1 minute fair value gap. What? Look at that. Look at that. Crazy work. There it goes. It's taking sell side. Boom. Crazy work. Do we candle? Yeah, we candle like below it. It's gonna take sell side. Can I do it? Come on. Let's go. Today I will be the most readable market ever. That's my promise. Behave. NQ. Today I command you to behave. That looks a little 1 minute BPR. So 2 wicks. Yeah, it's just a big wick on the 5 minute, My daily bias today is bearish. I have a bearish daily bias. And today I am bearish. Oh. Long it. Take it. We got an inverse fair value gap right here. We have a retest of the inverse fair value gap. This qualifies as a solid short. Short it. Okay, 29. I'm telling you, bro, we're gonna get longs. I'm long in this. We just hit the bottom of the wick. Now it's gonna create the daily wick. The bottom of the low of the day. It's being created right now, and that wick is gonna be created. Watch. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push it, baby. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Sorry. Oh. Okay. We got RTH gap right here, and we have a move up. Is this a Judas swing or is it a move up? Or is this the Judas swing? We don't know. Let's see how it goes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, we're coming up here. Coming up here. Coming up here. Come on, come on, come on. Take it up here. Take it up here. Take it, 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 take it. Just go. Shut up, phone. I'm trying to concentrate here. I got things I'm trying to do. There we go. There we go. Come on, push up here. I want to see you take up this fair value gap. We're going long. We're going long. We're going long. We got some displacement up. See how this candle closes. We've swept right here, right? So this is a 930 candle. See if how we utilize this first for presented power. Let's see if we create a fair value gap here. All right, we're in the RTH. Do we get a fair value gap? First presented fair value gap. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. And where are we candling? Where are we candling? Look at that. Look at you go. Where are we gonna candle though? That's 931, right? Oh, that's 930. I wouldn't say that's the first percent fair value gap. I'm sorry. My bad. Got a little excited there. All right. But we do have a fair value gap there, so we'll keep that marked. We're candling above. We're candling above. Coming back down into this fair value gap. Right here. Okay. Let's see how we act in there. Boom. Coming down. Tapping into that fair value gap. Let's see some push up. Let's see a push up. We got this 15-minute right here. We got a 15-minute right there. So that's like the 28,773. Look at we're tapping into that. Tap in there. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Ooh, are we gonna inverse? We inverse. Close on. Close on. Come on. Close above consequent encroachment of the first percent or the 930 fair value gap. And now we go lower. Do we inverse the first percent fair value gap? This is a small fair value gap. I wonder if we keep it. I'd like it if we plugged it in. Look at this little volume imbalance that we have right here. We have a small 1 minute volume imbalance right here. And do we inverse this fair value gap? We do. We inverse. Too early to tell. 30 seconds left. 31, 32, 33. Close below this order block right here. You see that? And before it takes sell side, it comes up here and takes this volume imbalance. Watch. We got displacement down. And this looks like it's going to fair value gap. oh, 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 oh. There we go. Well, it looks like it was that easy. Sell side's right here. Remember that? So we got sell side right there. Right there. That blue line. That's the June low. So let's pull up the 1 minute. We have first presented. Looks like it's gonna be right here. We got this volume imbalance right here. So that's first presented for value gap. Do we utilize it? Doesn't look like it's going to come back up here. And it leaves. No, it's going to take it. It's going to take it. What are we talking about here? 77 points. Oh, man. Bearish. Boom. Sell side taken. Look at this volume imbalance right here on the daily chart. Now some relative equals. Right here. Candle. Right there, consequent encroachment of it. It's a nice move. Looks like we're going all the way to the bottom of it. Wow. It really was that easy. Come up here to the 15-minute. It was hardly even a Judas swing. It was just like so obvious it was painful. God dang, man. We're closing below, so that doesn't look very strong. Next sell side target would be right here. See if there's anything else over here I can utilize. Here. There. Yeah, that would be my next target, honestly. I mean, yeah, we can put some lines here and here and here and here, but I'd want that. Who knows, maybe we'll get it. Jeez, man. Wow, dude. Well, It's not consolidating like I thought it would do. Jeez, man. That's crazy work. $9.40. We haven't even utilized first return per body cap. We haven't gone in there at all yet. Let's see how we utilize it. I think we've hit our objective for the day, honestly, and I don't think there's much left to. ICT, you're wild. Lower quadrant of this. Volume imbalance. I'm gonna stay on top 10, and that's kind of my cutoff. Right, I don't see much here for me. Should have shorted that. Good Lord, man. Kind of coming right here. Wow. Just wow. Look at that. our first 15-minute candle closer. Look at that monster. $271. Well, I think it's cooked, personally, but jeez, man. Well, that's trading for you. That's the life of a trader. Just accept it and move on. I'd like to see us pump back up here and see what we do. Do we come back up here? Do we utilize this first presented fair value gap? What do we do? Yeah, it's to the kind of obvious too. Look at, we hit that order block. Never close above it. Take a little buy side right there. We just dump. Got a breaker here. Low, high, lower, low. It's like gonna move higher. Got an inverse fair value gap right here. Probably go up here. Got a little bit of a CSD here. Not a strong one. If we candle over it, that'd be a little bit more strong, but coming down to meet the breaker. Got that little fair value gap right there. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Watch it. Test that fair value gap. Got this wick right here. How are we closing on that wick? Here we go. Pushing higher. Order block. I'm going to take everything off of this and just make it very simple. Thing is, I'm just not interested in taking any longs at this moment. I mean, that's not a bad play right there. I imagine we're going to go up here. That's what I would like to see. 951, we're in the macro. We're at exactly consequent encroachment of that volume imbalance. Let's see if we can candle over it. Candle exactly at consequent encroachment. We're in first presented fair value gap. Let's see how we treat this. And we tap into first presented fair value gap. Let's see how we candle into this. RTH right here. Come up, we meet these lows, balance out the price range. Right there. I don't need that. First utilization. meet exactly consequent encroachment. Let's see if what we're gonna do here. God dang, man. Who would have known that was gonna happen? This V-shaped recovery. I guess technically we have a fair value gap right here. That would be really the first presented as well. So we'll mark that out. And there's a volume balance on there. So we go candle to candle. And we tap into that. That's that 15-minute. Got that volume imbalance right there. Go in there. Wow, dude. So that's consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. I'm gonna bring that out a little bit further just so it's clear. Jeez, man. We get through the first presented for value gap. Take out the 930 high. $58 after. And after 8:30. And we take out 930. Do we take it? We take it. Wow, dude. Holy smokes, man. Dude, look at that. That is wild, dude. Bulls are in play. Wow, dude. God damn, bro. 7:30. Got this order block right here on the 15-minute. That was just a strong move up, man. Holy smokes. I wonder if we're going to make it up here. That was clean, man. That was clean. Look at how clean that was, man. In versus 5-minute. We got this buy side right here. Tap that 7:30 price. Below RTH. Tap the top of that 15-minute. Left this buy side, I wouldn't be interested much unless we take that. Damn, bro. I was looking at that trade down there. That was a fucking bad trade, dude. God dang. No, patience. Patience, patience, patience. $10.06. Jeez. And what are we looking at here on the 15-minute? You're in sort of block right here. Golly, bro. Golly. Well, $10 macro is pretty much done. Let's see, it's just bouncing around till. And There it goes. Take it. Well, I think this day is done. I don't think there's much hope. That sucks, man. Super clear. Super clear. Today was honestly easy, and I didn't take anything. And the trade that I did take was BS. Consequent encroachment of the RTH. Totally doubted that at the beginning, and now look at we're gonna hit it. One hour. Rebalancing that 1 hour fair value gap. That. It's RTH right there. We got a CISD, it looks like, on the 1 hour. Well, I was right about longs. Damn, I'm a little bit upset right now. That hurt. That sucks. So we take out buy side liquidity. What does this look like? That's our 10 o'clock low right there. Matches up with 8:30. That was just such a bullish move, man. I mean, it's really bearish environment. So we swept liquidity right there. Get this inverse fair value gap. We're meeting those lows right over here. Kind of balance out this range. Right there. Wow, not really. that was a strong move to the upside, and we have a lot of liquidity to the upside. So, um, I like don't want to let it do what it's gonna do, but at the same time, I'm kind of like, man, I don't know. Fuck. Ugh. Look at that move, man. We're in this 4 hour fair value gap. And we've hit the consequent encroachment of the RTH gap. And we're going to hit midnight price. It's like 15 minutes. Oh, it's that 1 hour. Look at that. Low, high, lower, low. Alright. Curious how we close this 1 hour. Alright, I'm going to end the stream there. That's missed both the moves.